Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, my name is Juliana and thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate all the person that decided to stop by. Nevertheless, I appreciate you guys being here. No sir, I walked my a while ago. But I don't know what my while ago. That not look too good. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. And remember, gonna like up the stream, guys. Like and share. When also a lot of person I go coming at the back and nobody not go want talk and something, but it's okay. I'm a one man army. Nothing bothers me. I don't put anything on my mind. Welcome, welcome, my beautiful peeps. Thank you so much for being here. Go ahead, like, up the stream, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Oh, I forgot something else. Make a mute the mic because make a catch some water, but I soon come back out. Come make a come talk the things I'm gonna come. I'm out bust up. Finally, I'm back, guys. Welcome, everyone. So, to all my newbies, a person who just coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Juliana. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I post a video. And for to the ones that will like staying at the bush, like crab, thank you. Really do appreciate you guys being in the bush, okay? Anyway, all of you not like me and you don't like how I speak, like up the video. You know, the problem, most of them don't have a reason why you don't like me, you know. You don't have a reason. You just hear somebody say, they don't like Julian, so you jump on a wagon. I don't like me. You talk to me every day. I'm in deep down inside, but no one don't like me. You watch my content, you comment, you subscribe to the channel. You are a fan, but you don't like me. What me do to you? Come sure no say. Me sure no. Me not shot nobody money. Me sure no. Without a shadow of doubt. I never take none from you. I never name my mama white fool. You see? You see me telling about them? See me telling about... It's when you know your enemy I watch you and something because I know you watch me, girl. I know you're watching me. And not my fault. And not my fault. Not mine. So one time when I spread on a bed, ensure when I spread on a bed real good. Don't get up and eat people because somebody say they not like a person or whatever the case be. Don't get up and eat them because somebody else not like them. Don't be a follower, be a leader. I could never, ever be a follower. I was born a leader. I was born with a brain. My born with a brain, you know. And someone just mock out. One bag of mockers. The girl ain't no banana secret for me. And that make them not like me. When you're being a mockers, ensure that you see what you're being a mockers for. Okay? Anyway, guys, I don't come boy. I don't come boy people who wanna like me. But I come about to today. Today on the phone day. I'm gonna carry guys outside. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you guys something. Guys, I buy the set here. The clock set here downtown. Yeah. Downtown Kingston. What TV I buy downtown? Curtain buy downtown, camera buy downtown, everything buy downtown. Okay? And then I'm gonna show you something. Okay. It's like people trot the place cool. When I say the time cool, it cold. It cold like an ice. It cold like an ice. Living in the ghetto. Get sorry about mosquitoes speaking. You hear guys? When you live in the ghetto, yeah, adapt the get up mentality. Alright, see if I have pepper on the trees. Get these, look at these. Pepper coming on. Look at that big one. Look at that. Hmm. There's a lot of pepper coming up. You know, if you're bad mind or something, you know, nothing where your plant won't come. If your mind dirty, and look at this, guys. My half pepper tree I come up. I don't know how people not like me. Honestly, I don't know how people get up and hate me without a cause. And you don't have to do nothing. You don't have to do people nothing, you know. The fact that them believe say you live comfortable than them. Them believe say they can't do the things what you are do. And you know stop nobody from get up and do what you are doing, you know, because guess what? The end of the day, I get up and I decide to make take a camera and make start post content. The content may not make sense to you, but other people find it fascinating. All right, so other people like the content, other people will watch the content, but no, you no one get up and do the same thing, you know. You want get up and criticize that person, you want hate a person. The time you take, I hate somebody, why not take up one camera? Why make you not take up your phone? Take up your phone, start with the phone, because I want phone me I use right about now. May I do the live stream here on a Samsung phone. Alright. I like do live stream on the iPhone. Cause for some reason it can give me problem. But anyway, another that my come about. Whatever you have, as long as you have camera, take up your phone, create your content. If you don't want to show your face enough, show your face enough. If you're not feeling comfortable when you go sit down in front of the camera, just do it like something like this now and talk over it. And talk over it. You don't have to get up and dislike a person. Oh my god, I don't know how you guys get up and hate people when you don't know the person. Look on the paper here. When you don't know the person and you get up and you hate the person. You haven't had an experience with a person, you know, we say, for instance, say, the person that is and the person do your family member nothing. Only thing that do is care for your people, you know. And you get up and you eat a person without a cause now. What could have caused that? Eh? Look on a coconut tree, guys. Eh? What could have caused you if you eat somebody that much? We not even, we can't even bear see them. Not at all. You don't even like hear their name call. You get you're getting a pressure every time you hear somebody mention the name Julian. I don't know how to do it. Honestly, you guys' life are so sad. Is it just like, oh, you see the breeze a blow and something? When you get up and eat people, I same way God go just blown away in the wind. Same God Almighty way, He's gonna blow you guys away. But I wanna get up and eat people. It's like a breadfruit tree that's look floxy. The breadfruit them for the tree look meager and floxy. So someone look meager and floxy. No matter how you try to put yourself together, you can't look like me. I will never. So anyone now want come for me, I go come back for you. I will come talk about you, about you alone. Don't all the baby on the breast I get involved in it too. It's the worst of me no say. Man, I do you nothing. And you get up and eat me. Hey, may God have mercy upon you. Cause me, man, I look upon you. God, I forgot to take up the buckle. Cause anything I leave to God, I leave in the hands of God, is well taken care of. When you think you do bad, every time a person believe that they're doing bad to somebody who has done nothing but good or something, it backfire upon them. And you know realize that every time you try to destroy a person who has never wronged you before, you're destroying yourself. You didn't know that? A lot of people, you know why their family member living in a certain way? Because they try to destroy people pitney. And every time they try to destroy people pitney, then I know say God have that person back. God got someone on the back, you know. No matter how they might try, no matter what they might do, it just a backfire upon them. So if they turn left, it turn back upon them. You have something called turn back. And when you put God at the front of you, when you put God in the midst of whatever you're going through, and everything start go back on them, they have this sister and they have that person. And then trying to tell you something. See who God bless, no man curse. So the time you take up and you eat me, or you dislike a person, and the person not doing nothing, just take up your phone and just decide to hear what. You go create some content. You gotta talk about even your past, what you've been through. Because sometimes you're not talking about your past situation that you've been through. You know how that help to motivate a next person. But no, I don't know, I wanna come like crab in a barrel. So to see somebody I try to go up. When I say I don't fear time yet, you drag back the person down. How you believe that things are gonna work out for you? Because you get up and you're a bad mind people. It's not clean. And if you don't have a clean heart and a pure mind, things are gonna always look bad for you. Things are gonna always go wrong and you wonder why everything may I put my hands to it not working out. You wonder why this happened to you is because you have a negative mind. And when you have a negative mind, oh my God, can I tell you that a negative mind will destroy you? Your mind is negative, so it will destroy everything that you are trying to create. And by the time you realize that your mind is so negative and everything around you is negative, and then when you say people, I don't know sitting, we don't know our wicked self. When you want to watch my mother, I want to watch yourself. When you watch my mother, I want to take care of myself. I don't even think we don't know Roland and then something there. I don't look like we don't know nothing about hygiene. We can gear. Alright. I'm gonna tell something. To the one when I like me. Alright, let me gear this. Let me gear this. This is a shower gel, lotion, and a cologne. That man cool. So you can use that, bathe with, lotion yourself. Right, something for your face now. I have the black soap here for your face. I don't know what else are you want. Maybe you gotta take something more bigger. So maybe this should do you better. If you somehow no man no sit down and no depend on man, me not depend on no man. Me buy anything I want, I buy for myself. I'm not showing you nothing where the man money buy. What I'm showing is what my money buy. Okay? Thanks to YouTube. Yeah. You don't want to watch a channel here, especially this channel. You don't watch it hard. You don't watch it hard like a harbor shark. Anyway, I'm going to mute the mic and go and watch a show.